Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Redmi 14C. So let's say for instance your phone has issues with slow performance, it's sluggish or it's freezing at different times. You can simply perform a factory reset and that will fix any particular issue. Now to factory reset your Redmi 14C, all you have to do is access the settings. So find the settings app and tap on it to proceed. And then within the settings, tap on the About Phone option. And then within the About Phone options, scroll down and find the factory reset. So select it. And then I should see a brief description on what the factory reset will erase from your device. Now you can see it will erase your contacts, photos and videos, apps, account, backups, and SD card data. So you can scroll down. If you want to continue with the factory reset, simply scroll down and find the option Erase All Data. So tap on that. And then now you have to confirm your identity. So if you have a screen lock, simply type in your PIN, password or pattern. So let me just type mine and then tap on Next. And then you'll be prompted to back up your items first. So in case you don't want to delete every information, simply back up to proceed. But if you'd like to clear everything from your phone, simply tap on Factory Reset. And then you should see this warning. This will erase all data on your device, including photos, songs, notes, and other personal data. Make sure you back up your important items to your computer. If you want to proceed, tap on Next. And then give it a few seconds. And then to proceed, simply tap on OK. And that will factory reset your Redmi 14C. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.